The battle for the Lok Sabha elections is heating up as voting day approaches. From Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Rahul Gandhi, top politicians are engaged in fierce election campaigns, making promises to woo voters. PM Modi, leading the campaigns for the NDA, has been the offensive against opposition parties, particularly targeting dynastic politics. Dynastic politics is often associated with leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav, and M.K. Stalin. But let's not forget the women politicians who also carry forward their parents' political legacy with equal fervor. In the Lok Sabha polls of 2024, several daughters of prominent politicians are vying for a seat in the parliament. Let's take a closer look at some of these candidates. Rohini Acharya, the daughter of former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabri Devi, is contesting from the Saran Lok Sabha seat, representing the RJD. Misa Bharti, another daughter of Lalu Prasad Yadav, is contesting from the Patliputra seat on an RJD ticket. Bansuri Swaraj, daughter of former Union Minister Sushma Swaraj, is making her political debut from the New Delhi seat, representing the BJP. Supriya Sule, daughter of Sharad Pawar, is locked in equal battle against her sister-in-law from the Baramati Lok Sabha seat. Shambhavi Chaudhary, daughter of Bihar Minister Ashok Kumar Chaudhary, is contesting from Samastipur on a Lok Janshakti Party ticket. Karyam Kavya, daughter of former Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana, Karyam Srihari, is the Congress candidate from Warangal. Y.S. Sharmila, daughter of former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Rajashekhar Reddy, is contesting from Kadapa. Daggubati Purandeshwari, daughter of NTR, is contesting from Raja Mahendravaram seat on a BJP ticket. Pankaja Munde, daughter of late Gopinath Munde, is contesting from Bir, Maharashtra on a BJP ticket. Mehbooba Mufti, daughter of former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mufti Muhammad Saeed, is contesting from Anantnag, Rajouri. As these daughters of top politicians enter the political arena, the Lok Sabha elections are sure to witness some intriguing battles. Stay tuned with One India News for more updates on this evolving political landscape.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.